Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL World. Today in this tutorial we will see what is extent report and the configuration of extent report. Extent report is a powerful reporting library designed for using automatic testing frameworks, primarily used in conjunction with Java-based testing libraries like TestNG and JUnit. It simplifies the process of generating visually appealing and informative HTML reports that provide insights into the execution of automatic tests. Extent report is a custom reporting library designed for test automation that provides an easy way to create informative and visually reports. It supports various test frameworks like TestNG and JUnit. Why use extent report? Enhances readability of test results, facilitates easier debugging with detailed logs and screenshots. We can get the screenshots in extent report. It provides a comprehensive overview of test execution status. In extent report, easily integrate with CI/CD pipelines for automated reporting. Graphic representation of data helps in quick analysis in extent report. These are the benefits of extent report. Clear presentation of results make it easier to identify issues. Team members can easily share reports with stakeholders, tailor the reports to fit the project specified needs. Few are the key features of extent report. It supports HTML reports with the interactive dashboard. We can customize the layouts and style in extent reports. It supports the screenshots and logs. And extent reports real-time reporting during the test execution. Extent reports ability to generate reports in different formats like HTML, PDF. Now, we will see the configuration of extent report. Open the Chrome browser and search extent report Maven repository. We can add this dependency by using jar files. If you using the simple project without Maven, so you can download the jars and import these jars into projects. Now, we will see the extent reports, how we can add the extent reports libraries in Maven project. Search extent report Maven repository. Click on first link. Here you can view the different versions of extent report. The latest version is 5.1.2. Click on first and copy this dependency and add this dependency into form.xml file. Open this form.xml file and add this dependency into dependency section here. Save this file. Extent reports libraries have been imported into the project. In next tutorial, we will see how to generate the extent report in practical. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQL World. Thanks for watching.